lot of our work with organizations involves helping people adopt more generative and human ways of working and just being together. It doesn't just have to be all about work. It can be about community, neighborhoods, whatever, right? And through this, we're embodying new mindsets and practices, one of which is distributing participation, control, and leadership in a group of people. So let's get on topic today with an understanding of what it means to do this. So this helpful diagram is going to help us understand a bit more about this. So what happens as we move up to the upper right corner here, right? Into this self-governing teams. Let's just say self-governing groups, right? Well, we leave behind the single individual, the manager, et cetera, the leader, right? The visionary leader, all of this, we kind of start to leave behind a little bit. And we enter a space where the team carries more and more responsibilities, you know? So from monitoring and managing the work in progress, the work in process, all the way up to, you know, designing the team itself and its organizational context in this self-designing space, all the way to kind of setting the overall direction together in this self-governing space. And so as we move to the upper right, we begin to do these things together, which means we begin to actively distribute participation, control, and leadership in this group of humans, because now it's not going to be just up to, you know, management's responsibility or the leader's responsibility or whatever, right? To kind of define these things. Now we're defining them together. Boop. So what else does this mean? Let's really spell this out, right? Not only are we working with new structures, tools, and processes, right? But we are figuring out what these are. We're improving on old ones, we're building new ones, and we're doing all of this together, okay? And this is what we are often asked when working with clients and communities, is kind of in this space of the circle. So what is the best process for X, Y, or Z? Or, you know, what digital tools can we use to help us make better decisions or collaborate and so on and so forth? And we always have to spell it out. This is one half of the work, right? It's vital and necessary, but one half. And so what's the other half? This is the other side, right? This is where we're trying new practices. You know, liberating structures are a good set here, right? Where you can basically create the conditions for you to bump into something that you weren't expecting and help you witness something new together, which then leads into adopting new mindsets about ourselves and others. And so just starting out here with just a first few in this short video to mention. First one that's really important, the iterative mindset. So, you know, if we were to design some sort of new process or structure or solution to tensions in our system, for example, what if we did so without the usual expectation of a perfect solution? What if we build what we need to improve, recognizing that it is always an iteration, one that will be revisited in a half a year or maybe even sooner, right? So that iterative mindset is a key first that we tend to see quite a bit. And then another mindset that's super important for this little video here is the shared leadership mindset. And this is simple. This is really, leadership is possible from everyone and from every corner of the organization or the community. All right, thank you for joining for this little brief interlude, this on-topic episode. If you have a topic that you'd like us to cover on this channel, please leave a comment below. And of course, if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more info and more thinking and just interesting conversation on this, go check out our other videos, especially our recent episode of The How on shared leadership. All right, thank you.